How to remove password protection from Excel workbooks using VB.net without Excel. Unlock Excel workbooks using VB.net. Removing password protection from Excel workbooks can be quite a task, especially if you don't have Excel installed on your system. However, with the power of VB.net, you can easily strip away passwords from your Excel files using code, thus ensuring that you have seamless access to your data anytime you need. Understanding workbook encryption. Microsoft Excel employs encryption to safeguard the contents of an Excel workbook. When a password is set, the file is encrypted in a way that makes it unreadable until the correct password is provided. Despite this robust protection, there are circumstances where you might need to access a workbook without knowing the password, such as inheriting files from a previous employee or accessing outdated archives. VB.net as a solution. VB.net can be used to programmatically navigate through, and even modify, Excel files without opening them in Excel itself. By leveraging libraries designed for handling Excel file structures, such as EP+ or NPOI, it is possible to manipulate Excel files directly. These libraries can provide access to the underlying data and settings, allowing for password removal when necessary. Below are some general steps, showing how you might go about using VB.net to achieve this. Install a library. First, include a library that supports reading and writing Excel files in your VB.net project. You could use EP+, which is open source and simplifies Excel file manipulation. Load the workbook. Using the library, open and load the content of the protected Excel file. This step requires understanding the structure of the file and how the library interacts with it. Decrypt the file. While this step is complex, and arguably the trickiest part, some libraries allow you to bypass or reset the workbook's protection settings assuming certain conditions are met. Save an unprotected version. Once the protection has been removed or bypassed through allowed means, save a new instance of the workbook without a password. Ethical considerations. It's imperative to highlight the ethical responsibility involved in password removal. Ensure that you have rightful ownership or explicit permission to alter any Excel files. Unauthorized password circumvention is not only unethical but potentially illegal. Conclusion. VB.net offers a valid method of removing password protection from Excel workbooks, especially when Excel itself isn't installed on your machine. With the right approach and ethical considerations, you can use VB.net libraries to manage and access your data effectively. As always, ensure compliance with data protection laws and obtain necessary permissions before modifying any secured files. Remember, programming skills open doors to automated solutions, empowering you to work smarter and more efficiently.